The Aprilia Rsv4 Best Italian Motorcycles Ever. The best Italian motorcycles ever. Imagine you are bouncing through the curves in the Italian country of vineyards riding a 1-liter cherry red sports bike. There is no doubt that Italian motorcycles have a unique style and heritage. But if you had to choose just one, which would be the best Italian motorcycle? It's a tougher question than it seems. Is it the best bike that can climb the Alps, or one that will confuse you as you run along the Mediterranean coast? There is no doubt that Italian manufacturers have made excellent bicycles of all kinds, but it is also clear that they have one type. The market certainly gravitates towards fast and sporty road bikes, but it also has a rich history of racing-inspired innovations, so these are the types of bikes we will focus on. Here, in no particular order, are some of the best Italian motorcycles from the best Italian manufacturers. The best Italian motorcycle trailers. The Aprilia Rsv4. Rsv4 1120/21. Engine type, liquid-cooled, V4 cylinder, 4-stroke, DOHC, 4 VPC. Displacement, 1099 cubic centimeters. Bore X stroke, 81 by 53.32 millimeters. Max horsepower, 217 horsepower, 159.5 kilowatts at 13,000 RPM. Max torque, 125 Newton meters at 10,500 RPM. Wet weight, 202 kilograms. Uncompromisingly fast and powerful, the Rsv4 is the latest and greatest of Aprilia's storied RSV superbike lineage. Though launched relatively recently, in 2009, it quickly became Aprilia's flagship model. Maybe that's because it was their first V4 engine, or maybe that's because of the solid success it has enjoyed on international racetracks ever since it was launched. Tips for Italian motorcycle owners. If you are wondering if Italian bikes are good, the performance and attractive design of top Italian motorcycles are undeniable. There are, however, unique challenges to owning an Italian motorcycle. If you see the car of your dreams, then you should definitely buy it, but follow these tips. 1. Prepare for the shortage of parts. Italian motorcycle manufacturers often have much smaller global distribution networks than their larger Japanese, German, or American competitors. As a result, it may be more difficult to find qualified service or parts. Your solution will depend on your bike and circumstances. In some cases, it is a problem that money can easily solve. In others, you may be forced to wait until a part becomes available or take a long trip to find a qualified mechanic. On the other hand, isn't the appeal of a motorcycle the opportunity to work on it alone? 2. Cost of performance. This is not true for all Italian motorcycle brands, but for some, the best possible performance may come with the price of reliability. You should consider user feedback on any motorcycle you buy, but even if there are reliability issues, this may not be a reason to avoid it. After all, it can simply be the cost to have the best possible performance. 3. Make your motorcycle. There is a perception that most Italian motorcycles belong to the premium/luxury segment, and in the case of Ducati and MV Agusta, it is absolutely true. For the right thief, your bike will be the juiciest prize in the block, so it's worth taking extra precautions to protect your investment. A cover, a bicycle padlock, and a motorcycle tracker are the bare minimum, but it might be a good idea to invest in security cameras and/or a garage.